Welcome to an overview of the CPA Practical Experience competencies. Future CPAs must fulfill requirements in both technical and enabling competencies to achieve the CPA designation. There are 6 technical competency areas: financial reporting, management accounting, strategy and governance, taxation, finance, audit and assurance. Each area comprises 3 or 4 competency sub-areas, with each sub-area having specific competency statements that are defined by proficiency levels from level 0 through to level 2. Here is an example of the competency statements for financial report preparation competency sub-area. As experience progresses, technical competencies develop along this continuum, typically beginning with level 0, confined to routine tasks, and building to level 2, characterized by increasingly complex and/or less routine work done with more autonomy. Future CPAs must develop these technical competencies in accordance with 4 requirements. 1. Core. Proficiency in any 3 competency sub-areas in financial reporting and/or management accounting to at least level 1. 2. Depth. Proficiency in all competency sub-areas of one discrete competency area with at least 2 competency sub-areas at level 2 and others at level 1 or above. For example, if finance is the area of depth, a future CPA must achieve all competency sub-areas in this area. 3. Breadth. Proficiency in at least 8 competency sub-areas, at least 4 sub-areas at level 2, and the remaining at level 1. 4. Progression. Future CPAs are not expected to demonstrate all required proficiencies over the entire term of their practical experience, but must demonstrate a progression in proficiency. While future CPAs are developing these technical competencies, they must also develop the 5 enabling competency areas which reflect the personal attributes of being a CPA. Their development is supported by a CPA mentor. Future CPAs demonstrate their proficiency in enabling competencies by answering 5 3-part questions. Each question requires them to describe a professional experience, how it contributed to their development of enabling competencies, and how this learning will affect their future behavior as CPAs. You can find out more about what is necessary for the practical experience requirements by visiting www.cpacanada.ca/practical experience.